Good day, everyone. By the way, my name is Jill TN and I am going to present my code. First and foremost, I just want to introduce the situation, which is I am going to create or make a Java program that continuously asks the user to enter their age until they enter a valid positive number. I am I am using online GDB compiler for my program, and the programming language that I used is Java. In this moment, I explain from the start until the end of my code. So let's begin. So first, I am going to explain this first line, the import Java util scanner. So this line imports a scanner class from the Java util package, which is used to read input from the user. So it is very crucial for us, especially when it comes if we are going to make a code or program, up to program or code, uh, rather, and because it allows you to read different types of input like string, integers, doubles from the user. So like that. Another one is this one, public class age classifier. So as you can see, I rename my file age classifier.java, and this line declares a public class named age classifier. So the public class, my public class main class by every application must have at least one class. So I have a one class. So this is age classifier.java. So another one is public static void main string args. So this is the main method. This is the entry point of any Java application. So without this, the code will, will not be will not be worked. And the program execution starts from this method. So, and with this public static void main string args, the program execute from this method. So another one is try uh, scanner is equal new scanner system dot in. So this line creates a new scanner object named scanner that reads input from the standard input stream, usually the keyboard. So the try with the sources statement ensures that the scanner is closed automatically after use. So with this, with resources statement ensures that the scanner is closed automatically after um, after using this code. So another one is int age is equal to -1, initialize age to an invalid value. So here, an integer variable age is declared and initialized to -1, which is an invalid value indicating that no valid age has been entered. So like that. Then another one is string input is equal to double quote declare input outside the loop. So means that um, a string variable input is declared to store the user's input. So it is initialized to an empty string. So going there, do this line starts do while loop. So this is a do while loop which will repeatedly execute the block of code inside it until a valid age is entered or the user types exit. So another one for what is a system that out that print enter your age or type exit to quit. So this line prompts the user to enter their age or type exit to quit the program. So that another one is input scanner dot next line. This one the user's input is read using the scanner object. So this is the scanner object, which is the trim method removes any leading or trailing white space and to lowercase, converts the input to lowercase for easier comparison. So another one is this one. If input that equals then exit, this break exit the loop if the user enters exit. So this conditional checks if the user entered exit. If so, the loop is exited using the break statement. So if the conditional checks if the user entered exit, yes, um, no, this conditional check this conditional this one this checks if the user entered exit. So if the user entered exit, the loop is exited using the break statement. So this is the purpose of the break statement. So another one is try age. This statement. This line attempts to convert the input string to an integer using integer. If the conversion is successful, the value is assigned to the age variable. So another one is if age is greater than to 0, so on. Then system that out that print line, please enter a positive number for age. Then continue. If the converted age is less than 0, a message is printed asking for a positive number, and the loop continues to prompt the user again. So another one is this break. Another break statement. Exit loop if valid age is entered. So if a valid age is entered, like for example, a non-negative integer, so the loop is exited. So that's the purpose. Then another one is catch number format exception. Then system that print line invalid input. Please enter positive whole number or type exit. So if the input cannot be parsed as an integer, like for example, if the user enters a non-numeric string, this one, numerics, if the user enters a non-numeric string, a number format exception, this one, so this one, number format exception is caught, and an error message is displayed. So if the user entered a non-numeric string, it may be possible that a number format exception may be caught and it may cause an error. So another one is while loop. This one. So this line indicates the end of the do while loop. The loop will continue indefinitely until a valid age is entered or the user types exit. So this one, if age is is less than equal to 0, then check if age is valid. Then after exiting the loop, this conditional checks if a valid age or non-negative was entered. So this one, this one, this statement is checking if a valid age was entered. So going back, if age is less than is equal to 18, system that print line you are eligible to vote, else system that outprint line you are not eligible to vote. So this nested conditional, this is the nested conditional, this one. So this nested conditional checks if the age is 18 or older. If so, it prints that the user is eligible to vote. Otherwise, it states they are not eligible. So like that. Then string age group is equal to get age group. This line calls the get age group method. So passing the age as an argument and stores the returned age group in the age group variable. Then system out print, this one, system that out print and you did not enter a valid age. So if the age is invalid, if the age, so this one, if the age is invalid, like for example less than 0, this block executes, then printing a message indicating that no valid age was entered. So, and also these lines close the try block and the main method. So this is the block, the curly braces, close curly braces. So another one is forward forward this statement, private static string get age group in age. This line declares a private static method named get age group that takes an integer age as a parameter and returns a string. So this one, also the statement, if age is less 12, you are a child, 0 to 12, you are a child, 13 to 17, you are a teenager, and 18 to 59, you are an adult. Then return senior citizen. So T and above, this is the senior citizen. So another block, this lines close to get age group method and the age classifier class. So this is the this line is this line close to get age group, which is this. Then the age classifier program prompts the user to enter their age, checks for valid input, determines if they are eligible to vote, and classifies them into an age group based on their input. It handles invalid inputs gracefully and allows the user to exit the program. So let's proceed to map the code. So we're going to map the code, then we're going to run it. So the program will display the prompt asking for your age. So for example, if I am going to enter 12, so I am not eligible to vote. So my age group is child, so I am still a child. So I am not going to vote, or I am not eligible to vote. So another example is 18. So I enter 18, then I am eligible to vote because 0 to 12 is child, and 13 to 17 teenager, which is they will not eligible to vote. So the 18 to 59 is an adult, so they are eligible to vote. So when you type exit and press enter, the program will break out of the loop and terminate without performing any further actions. Therefore, there will be no additional output after you exit. So if you are so I am going to type exit. You did not enter a valid age, so therefore there will be no additional output after I exit. Then after you enter exit, the program will simply stop running and you will return to the command line or terminal without any further messages. So if you exit the program, the only output will be the prompt asking for your age, followed by your input exit, and then the program will terminate without. So it will be asking, or the only output will be the prompt asking for your age. So I am going to I I enter the age as well as or followed by the input, then exit, and then the program will terminate without. So that's all. Thank you very much.